Welcome to a whole new world, the digital classroom of Merryland Academy. A smart class like never before. Easy learning, happy children, happy families.
Camouflage. Camouflage is a method of adaptation that helps an animal to survive in its environment. Animals utilize camouflage to avoid detection by both predator and prey species. My Little Book of Camouflage. 6 animals in nature. Leaf-tailed gecko. Grey tree frog. Brimstone butterfly. Leopard. Day octopus. Leafy sedrigan.
Make things happen. Take inspired action.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow.